Here's the Western Digital easystore external hard drive. There's the top. There's the side. It's a desktop hard drive, has USB 3.0, has Western Digital Discovery software with Western Digital Backup and Western Digital Drive utilities, an AC adapter, and a quick install guide. Supports Windows 10, 8.1, and 7, and requires formatting if you're using a Mac. Alright, let's flip over, let's look at the other side here. It's an 8 terabyte drive, has Western Digital Backup, and it has a 2-year warranty. Alright, so let's open it up. Alright, there we got the drive. Pull that guy out of there. Let's take the plastic off of there. Alright, there's the front of the drive. Side of the drive. There's the back of the drive with the USB 3.0 port and the power port. There's the top of the drive. Let's take these off. So this drive is super shiny and reflective. You can see my ceiling light right there. Let's take the AC adapter out of the box now. There's your USB 3.0 plug. There's your instructions for setting things up. That's all that's in the box. Just unwrap our AC adapter. Take the plastic off our USB. Plug in our AC adapter. Let's plug in our USB. Okay, let's plug it into the wall. And we're going to plug it into our PC. Okay, now our drive's plugged into our computer. We have 7.27 terabytes of free space to use, and we can just drag over our files. And it's as simple as that. We're good to go. You could also do Western Digital Discover. Lets you manage all your Western Digital devices in one place, lets you discover new apps and services, and you can find more features for your device. And you can install now. So let's install now. Okay, installed Western Digital. On the storage tab, it shows our hard drive. On the apps tab, we got Western Digital Drive Utility, Western Digital Security, and Western Digital Backup, and then some other extra applications that you can download. You have settings. That's about it. So let's install the Western Digital Drive utilities. With the Western Digital Drive utilities, we can diagnose our hard drive. So we can check the health of our hard drive, check the performance. Obviously the performance is good, it's a brand new drive. Then you can run a complete drive test to test the hard drive for any bad sectors. But it's brand new, so we're not going to do that. Then on the settings tab, you can say when the hard drive is going to go to sleep. The operating system settings might override this hard drive settings though, and then you have a toggle switch to turn on and off the LED. On the final tab, you can erase your entire hard drive and you can format it in NTFS or exFAT, but we don't want to do either of those. So let's close out of there. Let's install Western Digital Backup. Alright, let's check this out. Let's click Backup Files. Okay, let's select our device, the external hard drive, click Next. And then the final screen of the backup. On the final screen of the backup, we can edit our schedule for the backup. So we can do it hourly, daily, or monthly. Then you select which files you want backed up. Just click whatever folders in your system you want backed up. Click Select Files. And then click Start Backup. It will run the scheduled backups. If you like this video, give it a like and a comment below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel.